Alright, it's Bobby coming up with another video. This is update to eBay site preferences. So when I did the video, I did it probably about a year ago, and the way to set up accounts has changed. So here we are, just created a new account. So let me see. I went to my account here, my eBay, my account, go to site preferences, and then we have, let's see here, you'll see that we do not have a seller's account. Okay, I'm just gonna apply that. So in order to have a seller's account, you have to click the sell button up there, upper right, and let's list something like a mainstay fan. Sure. Ceiling fan. No, let's not do that. Let's do something basic. Plastic cup. Alright, so let's list a plastic cup from, Hefty. No, you might get some weird thing here. No, let's do like bed sheets. Mainstay bed sheets. Sheets and pillowcases. Sure. Let's look at something that might be drop shipped. Right, or something we get at a store. Any of these. Mainstay soft fiber. Sure. Let's do this one. Condition. We'll say pre-owned. Sell one just like this. And essentially, you just want to list something so eBay knows. It's the easiest way to set up a seller's account on eBay, right? And we'll say used. And then we'll have to download an image. Well, I guess we could have did that before, right? Let me see. Save an image. Desktop, sure. Mainstay soft micro fiber sheet. Sell one like this. Pre-owned. Again, guys, this is just not, my intention is not to sell this. It's just set up my account as you set up my seller's account. Add from computer. My desktop. Mainstays. All right, let's see. Item specifics here. No. This is a used mainstay bed sheet. And I don't want to do an auction. Buy it now. I would mark it up to maybe $90.50. Recommended shipping. We're gonna do something like long shipping or something. Try to fix them out. $50. This is so no one can pick up, or so no one can what do you call it? Buy this. I don't want anyone to buy this. Okay, just listing it so I can get a thing here. my code first. One moment. So just listing something here. Da, 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 da. Payment type, PayPal, sure. Agree and continue. It's telling me how they're gonna bill me. Da, 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 da. And loading. Maybe next time. All right. So now I have a seller's account. Okay. So go back to eBay. Go to my eBay summary. My account. And seller account. I'm sorry, not seller's account. Site preferences. And now you should see your seller's selling preference. Okay. So what I suggest is to click yes for the out of stock option and apply. So essentially, once your item becomes 0, it'll be out of stock and it doesn't end the listing. If you do end until canceled listings. And for PayPal, offer PayPal in my listings, you can't edit that. You'd have to use when you go into your listing, you have to, whenever you do your business policies, you'll be able to change that. I can show you in a future video. And right here, it's where you can opt in to the GSP or Global Shipping Program. Let's do that. Let's do that later. I'll show you in another video if you guys want. And then what else here? Shipping table, no, don't need that, don't need that. Block buyers. Send eBay. Alright, looks like that's it, guys. That's how you get into site preferences, selling preferences. And if you want, I can go through another video of what other options I'll choose. But for now, I gotta go. Alright, guys, have a good one.